Good morning to all. In this video, we will see 2025 Maha Kumbh Mela happening glimpses. This Kumbh Mela happen Maha Kumbh Mela 144 years once, but its normal cycles of 12 years once happening Kumbh Mela happens according to Jupiter alignments with every 12 years with Sun and Moon, Earth. So, when this typical alignment of Jupiter, Sun and Earth happening in particular cosmological alignment, that time is very important and auspicious. So, that time we are celebrating this Kumbh Mela in every 12 years. This is the cycle following. Apart from that, the Kumbh Mela having Puranic history behind this, like milk ocean churning time, the Amrita come out. When taking this Amrita out, while flying, it fallen on 4 places called Haridwar, Ujjain, Nasik, Prayag. So in this 2025, the Prayag, this event is happening now. During this Kumbh Mela period, this river itself get sacred. So taking bath in the river, it will nullify your sins and everything and raise your divinity within you. This Kumbh Mela celebration having heritage of since olden days, since Puranic period it has been celebrated. Since this event has been organized and regularized during Kapilamuni period. The Kapilamuni Maha Mandales Akada saint regularized this one. It is about 10 years back onwards. It has been aided by such a great saints and traditional handover like Adi Sankaracharya, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, now by Bhagavan Nityananda Paramahansa heading this Kumbh Mela event. Now you are seeing this is the Naga region where they lived. So this Naga region's people have Naga sadhus. This Himalayan related people also is there. They will mainly participate and make this even more fruitful. Apart from this, all over the India, from all over the world, so many sages sons come here and they will participate and make this Kumbh Mela as a great human being gathering events. Here you can find all the cultures diversity in unity. This Prayag located at confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati river. Hence, this Prayag is considered as a too much sacred place, and this confluence also too much sacred. By taking bath here, the sins forever get rid of. To handle this large pilgrimages coming per day on average 80 lakhs to 1 crore people coming this Kumbh Mela. To handle them, the temporary city has been made, town has been made, and very good hospital arrangement, then sanitation arrangements has been made with digitalized aerial view monitoring to take care of safety. Everything has been taken care. So this Kumbh Mela is now attached with it, modern hi-fi things, and live is happening through apps and digital media, various platforms. So you can watch through that also. As on January 2025, the Maha Kumbh Mela has attracted over 82.6 million people. On this Kumbh Mela, Kailasa country representatives are giving their Kailasa Nation books to Srimant Acharya Sangit Kishan Savarya Babu of Akhil Bharatiya Char Sampradaya Kalsha. Then next, Magant Jogtar Muni Ji of Naya Udasin Nirvana. Then Sri Magant Nagadas Ji of Sri Ramnamagar Dudreja Kalsa. Then Acharya Maha Mandaleshwar Sri Swami Radha Prasad Devi Ji Maharaj of Lalli Tankuch Sridham Vrindavan. Then Mahamandaleshwar Sri Raja Rao Das Falhari Ji Maharaj Dehana Bandhu Nagar. This book describes the revival of Kailasa, the ancient Enlightenment Sanatana Hindu civilized nation, and the profound contribution of the SPH Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramahansa to humanity. Upon receiving this book, this all great spiritual leader encouraged and they praised the dedicated work did by Bhagavan SPH Nityananda Paramahansa to this Kumbh Mela events heading purpose, happening purpose, and always and his mission to Hinduism and humanity. They praised him well and given applause to him. So now you are seeing the Kumbh Mela locations. Now everybody is taking bath in the Triveni Sangamam. Every day almost nearby 1 crore people coming. On this 8th day alone itself, 2.27 million pilgrims visited the Triveni Sangamam. Till the Kumbh Mela ends, they are expecting 40 crore pilgrims may be visiting this Triveni Sangamam. So such a great event happening, such a mass gathering in the world, greatest, largest mass gathering in the world, this Kumbh Mela only. Remaining anywhere, such a big crowd you may not be finding. Per day, on an average 1 crore people. Within 6 weeks, 40 crore people coming for one ritual pilgrimage event means this is the biggest, greatest event happening in the earth. Like Prayag, similarly, all other part also, Kailash celebrating this Kumbh Mela. This live happened Prayag, this photos only you are seeing. Apart from them, Kailasha making this Kumbh Mela happening like US, Los Angeles, America, then Singapore, then so many places. Their devotees making this Kumbh Mela celebration worldwide very nicely and enjoying the Kumbh Mela activities. This Los Angeles people celebrating this Kumbh Mela events. In this coming this Singapore, the Kumbh Mela event celebrated by Kailasa devotees and their delegates. So likewise, worldwide the Kumbh Mela events is headed by Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramasivam and taken care of this Kumbh Mela activities each and every day and guided his devotees and well and delegates to all the Hindu community and everywhere. So such a great event happening in this earth after every 12 years in Prayag. Then next it will happen in Ujjain. Then next it will happen Haridwar. Then next Nasik. Like that in an order it will every 12 years each places in this 4 places each and places it will go on rotation respectively. And this great event is happening. For such event you can make your present and have a nice holy dip.